What's up, guys? It's your boy here, and today I will be solving this ball from my last video, and I got it from Chapel St. Leonard's on holiday.
Okay.
Sorry I didn't film for a long time, like for the last 3 or 4 videos. Sorry I didn't film for a week. It's because we went on holiday, but there was like completely no Wi-Fi anywhere. We even asked that we went to like a restaurant that it said free Wi-Fi, no Wi-Fi at all. We even asked them, they did it, no Wi-Fi still. So sorry for not uploading. Let's get started. So I will solve this. What is this? No, I will solve this ball, and if you don't know how to solve it, the way to solve it is so let's say the red ball. If you see a red ring, that's where the ball the red ball has to go in the red ring. So I'll be doing this.
Ja, powiedz ty dwa. A ty jesteś... A ty przestań, turn off! Bo ty nie będziesz play.
Justin, can you robić some video?
A ty cały czas rób
Okay,
hello.
just go on. So, Kimberly, if you don't know her YouTube name, it's Kimberly Dabster, and she has like 13 subscribers.
You know what? Oh, yes I do. 30.
And both of my channels, both of them added together, I've got 12 subscribers.
I got 30.
I don't care, it's just one more. Still close. So let's get started.
Guys, we really want to have fan mail.
Yes, just give us fan mail.
Fan mail, just give us some.
Wait, but we need to tell them our postcode.
No, they'll know it. They'll know it.
No, they won't.
In Toys Army, they. Okay, you don't have to wait. We can take it off the mail. See if there's any mail for us. Okay, I
could just get it. So I will solve this ball right now. I will solve it in 2 or...
This is so annoying.
So you can still see it. Like, guys, the camera is literally flying.
Yeah, the phone is flying. We just stuck it on the doors.
Yeah, we stuck it on the doors, and like there's like a sticker that's holding it. Jenna! Yeah, yes and yeah. So there's like a sticker holding it, but it's not covering the camera. So I will solve this ball right now. In 3, 2, 1, go. One ball right. There's 2. What? Me? It's my YouTube channel, so I won't. And it's my YouTube channel, my rules, as you always say.
I don't always say it.
Yes, you do. See?
My cousin, my rules.
Your cousin, your rules. What? Who would even say that?
I have no idea.
Wait, so you play with me? What? That doesn't even make sense. My cousin, my rules. Like the video if you think. Like the video if you. Dislike the video if you don't think. No, like the video if you think that's right. No, like the video if you think that's wrong. Yeah, like the video if you think that's wrong. Dislike the video if you think it's right.
What?
What?
Okay. Lots of people will say wrong.
I just wanna really. Okay, where's the orange ball? I already got some designer to all on pens. I just want some ice on my wrist so I'll bellow when I dance. Looking at it, put you in a trance. I just wanna rolly with that range. I already got some designer. I did it! I did it! Oh, I did it! I did it! I did it!
And now I'm gonna check it. Let me check it.
Check it. It's right.
And now I have to check it here.
She has to.
Yeah, that's the checking room. Ow! Ow! I'm getting all.
What are you doing?
Ow!
in there. I'm pushing you. Get in.
I'm inside.
I don't care. I know you're inside our fort.
I just want to run in the garbage. Okay. Hey guys, you did it wrong.
No, I didn't.
Hey!
What? Look! You did that! Stop lying! You're not my judge. You're not being on my videos anymore.
Look! It's all right, I was joking.
If you do it one more time, you're not going to be on my videos anymore. Not even once. So guys, I did it. So... I'm jumping on the bed, I don't know why. Why?
I'm so happy that I did it. I didn't do it.
Guys, I'm so happy that I'm jumping on the bed. What? Oh! Yeah. I love these. These are my favourite. I don't even know what they are.
I want the strawberry. Oh, he has the strawberry.
Justin is not there.
And Denver don't. Yeah, we have the raspberry.
It's not there.
I got strawberry.
I don't care. Stop showing off. So that's it. That's it for today, guys. And peace out. And as always, stay daring. Hot Bye, Dabsters.
Raspberry test. I got strawberry. Yeah,